Hello people, so today we will talk about Google Sheet application on our mobile phone, and I would like to show you the way how to share the documents into someone else and give them an access to edit the documents. So you just need to open your Google Sheet application, and the next thing you need to do is just open or choose the documents that you want to share into your friends. You can do in both way. You can just do it without open the document, or you can also do it with open the documents. And today I would like to show you the way without opening the document. So let's say here I would like to share this document into my friends. Click these three small dots and then go click this share in the second choice, and then you can just right away adding the email of your friends down here. Or you can also do this instead. Go click this manage access and click this part, and then change the restricted here into anyone with the link. Since we want to make your friends can or able to edit this video, make sure you also change the viewer access here to be editor. And now the link is ready to be copied, so you just need to go click copy the link and send the link into your friends that you want to send these documents to. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again in two other tutorial.